Welcome back to Living Well. We're here with Dr. Lewis Conner, author of The Healthy Alternative. Dr. Conner, welcome. Give us a little background on your specialty, which is headache pain relief.
To be able to help people get rid of their headaches, it's a combination of how their skull moves and how their spine moves to take pressure off the nervous system. That's the simplicity of it.
That's a very interesting thing that we need to get into. That's more than just what would be a headache. It could be the way you're holding yourself, your posture, the way that your spine is adjusted at times. But let's take people to your offices. Wellness Secrets video crews recently visited, and let's take a look inside here.
Okay.
The reason why I chose Dr. Conner is because of his wisdom, his experience, and his expertise.
What makes Dr. Conner really unique in what he does is the kinesiology aspect of chiropractic that he practices.
Whether you're a runner, whether you're an athlete, Dr. Conner can help you stay on top of your game.
What part of the body moves out of place? And that's commonly the spine. I've been in practice now for 25 years, pretty much right here in the Menlo Park area in a few different locations. So that's thousands of people I've seen and helped change their lives, and by the miracle of chiropractic, being able to turn their life force on and be able to have them walk out of here without a pain. Really cool stuff. All the way up. Tight there?
Yeah.
Okay. I think after 25 years of practice, the secret to success is to be able to give people more than they expect, to be able to teach them, to help them. And we got tight muscles through there. Yeah. Okay, here's what's going on in your life. Here's some areas that you could really tweak up and change, so it's not just a come in, see the doc, and leave. It's more of a lifestyle change of wellness.
He takes the time to understand what the patient needs and take care of their body.
The way Dr. Conner has made a difference in my life day to day is a lot less pain, a lot less discomfort.
He's always looking on improving what he's doing for his patients.
All right, Dr. Conner, let's get into this in depth here. How do you help relieve headaches for your patients with your work?
The very first vertebra here, when that's out and putting pressure on the nervous system that comes out of the spine, is going to create a headache front or back. If it's the second one that's out, the headache is going to come over like this. Now, when people have a full headache, often it's all the bones in the head are in constant motion, as is the very low bottom called the sacrum. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If that pumping mechanism stops or gets blocked, our brain leaks or makes a drip at a time the cerebrospinal fluid. So you can imagine one drip at a time going into this box called the head, and if there's not a way to pump it out, it fills up.
Well, what causes things to get out? I would wonder, I mean, is it easy to put it back in place, or is it just as easy to get out of place?
Yes to both.
Okay.
Posture, sitting at the computer, lifting, moving, falling, getting hit, sports, all those things take that stack of vertebrae in our spine and can knock one out of position. Once one gets knocked out of position, another has to adapt. So commonly we have that feeling of, oh, it hurts, but it went away in a couple of days. The body adapted. Then we get another one knocked out, and the body adapts in a couple of days. Oh, the pain goes away, we think we're fine. So all we're doing is we're taking a look at the pain rather than not looking at a whole body as a wellness.
So all of the Aleve and Tylenol rapid reliefs of the world are really just putting a Band-Aid on things temporarily?
Absolutely, because what we pay attention to is when it hurts. The nerve supply that comes out, here's two vertebrae. The nerve supply that comes out, here's your brain sending a signal on your spinal cord, comes out a pair of nerves. That nerve branches. One tells you pain, put pressure there and you got ouch. Another tells the muscles what to do, organs and glands, heart and blood supply, pressure, hot, cold sensation, where we are in space. The only time we pay attention is when it puts pressure on the part that causes pain. And then we say something's wrong. The rest of the body may not be working to its best. So we look at what is going on with the wellness of the whole body. What are you eating? What are you thinking? What are you moving? How are you doing using your body?
Well, in layman's terms, what are you doing to manipulate a person's body to fix this then?
Gently taking the vertebra that's moved out of place and putting it back into place. Dr. Su at the University of Colorado did some nerve conduction studies. Said that the weight of a dime on a nerve will decrease its ability to send a signal by almost 40%. So when we move the pressure off that nerve, then the body begins to heal itself. Because cut yourself, you don't have to think about healing. It does. Wrap a tourniquet around your arm, it might not heal as fast or as well. So we look at taking away the obstruction and let the body, who has its innate ability to be able to heal itself, do its job.
Let's move away from pain relief just for a quick second here.
Okay.
Please tell us about your Beyond Male Limits seminars. What are these?
It's a seminar for, there's a figure now that 1 out of 6 college women are either sexually harassed, molested, or raped. 1 out of 6. I look at that and says, what does that say about us as males? Or what kind of example are we setting for the generation that's now in college doing that? So let's back up a little bit and take responsibility for ourselves as men and say, this is not right, this needs to be changed, let's do something about it, and that's what we address in the seminar.
And it's information targeting college age and young males?
Yes, it also targets parents, it also targets children. They need to be taught as they're coming up that this is not an okay situation.
All right, now let's go back to the pain relief and chiropractic. There is a special deal that you're running right now, and it's kind of interesting. No appointments necessary at your practice. Just pop in for an adjustment, essentially. Correct. But the deal that we know right now, $57, and then a second family member is free.
Correct.
How does this work? What is it exactly?
They come in, they bring along another family member. You'll get a consultation, a complete exam, or whatever the painful area is. You'll get a treatment, and also get some recommendations about what to do with your life in terms of your health.
Okay.
Bringing that in.
So now I want to let people know how to get in touch with you.
Okay.
So let's check this out. Dr. Connor is available in Menlo Park, and his email and his website are there online, as well as wellnesssecrets.tv. And no appointment is necessary. That's an important part to realize. So when we come back here to Living Well, I do want you to know that there's much more information, not just on Wellness Secrets, but it's coming. And it's coming up in the form of healing and music. We talk with Emerce Hanley about the power of music. Stay tuned.